The way you clean your toilet hasn't changed in decades. You need to fuss with a dirty cleaner bottle, unscrew a messy cap, and reach into the dirty toilet to pour the cleaner.
Mom, this isn't the 60s anymore. Now there's a better way to clean the toilet.
Introducing Fuller Toilet Pods from the trusted Fuller Brush Company. Just drop it in and let the pod work for you. After just 10 minutes, you return and simply brush and flush. No hard scrubbing is needed. Nothing is easier to clean and refresh your toilet. The Fuller Pod contains a variety of powerful concentrated cleansers that are activated by the water. They clean all kinds of stains and soils and helps dissolve hard water deposits. There's no more guessing how much or how little cleaner to use. Fuller Pods have the perfect pre-measured amount of cleanser for your bowl, so there's no waste. You don't need to measure or even touch the cleanser. Just grab a wrapped pod from the bag and drop in. 10 minutes is all it takes. Or drop in a pod at night and the Fuller Pod works while you sleep. The longer the cleansers remain in the bowl, the better the cleaning action. Fuller toilet pods are perfect for multiple bathrooms. Simply drop one in each and come back in 10 minutes to brush, then flush. They have a wonderful, clean, fresh scent you'll love. The Fuller Pods are biodegradable, septic tank safe, and made in the USA. Best of all, they're from the Fuller Brush Company, a name you know and trust. Fuller Brush has been making cleaning easier for over 115 years. So why get your hands dirty touching chemical bottles that make you reach inside your toilet? Now you just drop, brush, and flush for a faster, easier way to keep your toilets clean.
Go to Fuller.com now to get a 24-pack of Fuller Pods. That's up to half a year's supply for just $19.95. But wait, we'll also include a second 24-pack of Fuller Pods for only $9.95. That's over 50% off. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. Go to Fuller.com. Take advantage of this special TV offer.